Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a journey where the wild roars of lions harmonize with the vibrant rhythms of diverse cultures, and where every landscape narrates a tale of breathtaking beauty? Nestled at the southern tip of the African continent, South Africa, the land of contrasts, calls out to adventurers and dreamers alike to discover its rich tapestry of sights and experiences. Let's explore the top 20 sites that make South Africa a destination like no other. 20. Fourways Farmers Market. Nestled within the idyllic Modderfontein Nature Reserve, Fourways Farmers Market is a cornucopia of culinary delights and artisanal treasures. Amidst sprawling lawns and shaded seating areas, indulge in a global gastronomic adventure, from exotic delicacies to handcrafted delights. With activities for the whole family and serene surroundings, it's the perfect escape from the urban hustle, inviting you to unwind and savor the simple joys of life. 19. Cape Point Nature Reserve. Venture just beyond Cape Town, and you'll discover the majestic charm of Cape Point Nature Reserve. Towering cliffs, sweeping bays, and verdant valleys await, captivating wildlife enthusiasts and bird lovers alike. Stroll along the trails adorned with indigenous flora, while the melodious chirps of 250 bird species serenade your senses. Conclude your journey with a feast at Two Oceans Restaurant, savoring the flavors of Africa against the backdrop of breathtaking scenery. 18. The Company's Garden Restaurant. Nestled within the historic enclave of Cape Town, the Company's Garden Restaurant offers a sanctuary for families, tourists, and locals alike. Surrounded by verdant gardens, this daytime eatery boasts a seamless blend of natural elements and chic design. From tantalizing breakfasts to hearty South African dishes, every bite is a culinary delight. Enjoy amidst the serene ambience of this urban oasis. 17. Route 44 Market. Set against the picturesque backdrop of Stellenbosch, Route 44 Audacia Market is a vibrant celebration of South African culture. Indulge in delectable homemade treats, peruse artisanal crafts, and sway to the rhythm of lively tunes. With a wide variety of stalls offering an eclectic selection of goods, you're bound to uncover treasures to take home, all while basking in the infectious atmosphere of camaraderie. 16. Durban Botanic Gardens. Hidden amidst the vibrant pulse of Durban lies a haven of lush greenery, the Durban Botanic Gardens. As one of the oldest public institutions in the city, this subtropical paradise beckons travelers of all ages. Beyond admiring nature's splendor, visitors can engage in a myriad of activities from picnicking to birdwatching, ensuring an unforgettable experience in South Africa. 15. Maropeng. Official Visitor Center for the Cradle of Humankind World Heritage Site. Maropeng, the gateway to the cradle of humankind, invites you on a journey through time. Step into an ancient world where the story of humanity unfolds in the embrace of Mother Earth. Explore authentic fossils and ancient tools, witnessing the dawn of civilization. Coupled with a tour of the Sterkfontein Caves, this immersive experience offers a glimpse into our shared ancestry. Dive into history, just an hour's drive from Johannesburg, and unearth the secrets of our origins. 14. Muizenberg Beach. Muizenberg Beach, draped along the False Bay coastline, is a vibrant canvas of sun and surf. Its colorful beach huts and warm waters create a haven for families and surfers alike. Awarded the prestigious Blue Flag status, it promises safe waters and endless fun. From lively cafes to scenic boardwalks, every corner invites you to savor the coastal charm of Cape Town. 13. Cape of Good Hope. The Cape of Good Hope, jewel within Table Mountain National Park, beckons with its breathtaking scenery and serene beaches. Venture along the Cape of Good Hope Trail for a 2-day odyssey through nature's wonderland. With its diverse bird life and stunning coastal views, every step unveils a new marvel. Ascend the cliffs via the Flying Dutchman funicular for a panoramic vista that leaves you spellbound. 12. Castle of Good Hope. The Castle of Good Hope, a 17th-century marvel in Cape Town, whispers tales of South Africa's past. Its pentagonal silhouette and rich history lure visitors into a world of intrigue. Set against Table Mountain National Park, it's a gateway to underwater adventures and scenic vistas. And after soaking in the coastal charm, indulge in a feast at the Two Oceans Restaurant. 11. Nelson Mandela Square. Nelson Mandela Square, nestled in Sandton, embodies African warmth with global flair, hosting top-notch eateries, high-end fashion, and a European-style plaza. It's a beacon of chic nestled under the African sun. At its heart stands a towering bronze statue of Nelson Mandela, symbolizing the nation's journey to unity. Adjacent, find the Sandton Library and the luxurious Michelangelo Hotel, completing this stylish enclave. 10. Mojo Market. Indulge in a culinary extravaganza at the Mojo Market in Cape Town Sea Point. With over 30 vendors offering diverse cuisines, it's a foodie's paradise by the sea. From vegan delights to halal treats, the market caters to all tastes, promising a vibrant blend of dining, shopping, and entertainment. 9. Moses Mapida Stadium. Experience architectural marvel at the Moses Mapida Stadium in Durban. Its iconic 105-meter arch offers breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean coastline. Visitors can ascend to the observation platform via a cable car, marveling at the stadium's design that accommodates 70,000 spectators, blending sport and spectacle. 8. Walter Sisulu National Botanical Garden. Embark on a botanical journey at the Walter Sisulu National Botanical Garden, located in Portview, Roodepoort, named after apartheid hero Walter Sisulu. This sprawling 300-hectare garden boasts natural veld and landscaped areas. With over 500 plant species, including the unique gold reef mountain bushveld, it's a paradise for nature enthusiasts seeking South Africa's vibrant flora. 7. Two Oceans Aquarium. Dive into the mesmerizing depths of the Two Oceans Aquarium in Cape Town. Home to over 200 species and 8,000 creatures, it showcases the stunning diversity of marine life where cold and warm currents collide. From adorable African penguins to graceful stingrays, every corner reveals nature's wonders, enticing visitors into an underwater adventure. 6. Boulders Beach. Discover the enchantment of Boulders Beach, just an hour's drive from Cape Town. Here, over 2,000 African penguins roam, captivating visitors with their disciplined steps along the shore. Adjacent Foxy Beach offers a picturesque scene of boulders, rocks, and white sand, making it a surreal Cape Town gem. 5. Sun City Resort. Embark on a journey into a world of enchantment nestled amidst the untamed beauty of South Africa's wilderness at Sun City Resort. Amidst luxurious accommodations and exhilarating safaris in the neighboring Pilanesberg National Park, every whim finds fulfillment. From captivating entertainment and exquisite dining to heart-pounding adventures, ranging from lively casinos to unforgettable wildlife encounters, Sun City beckons as a singular destination, promising an experience beyond compare. 4. Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden. Escape to natural splendor at Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden, nestled beside the iconic Table Mountain. A sanctuary since 1913, it showcases South Africa's rich flora against a stunning backdrop. Ideal for hikers and nature enthusiasts, seeking tranquility amidst the city's bustle. 3. Gold Reef City Theme Park. Johannesburg beckons with the all-inclusive excitement of Gold Reef City. From top-tier entertainment to Victorian-themed charm, it's a playground for all ages. Delight in shows, dining, and gaming, or dive into the adrenaline rush of the theme park, ensuring every moment brims with thrills. 2. Ushaka Marine World. Step into a world where the ocean meets adventure at Ushaka Marine World in Durban. With its colossal aquarium and attractions tailored for families, excitement awaits all who visit. Experience thrilling rides, savor unique dining at the Shark Restaurant, and embark on educational adventures like reef snorkeling. It's a water wonderland that promises unforgettable experiences for all. 1. V&A Waterfront. Step into the enchantment of Cape Town at the vibrant V&A waterfront, a tribute to the city's seafaring legacy. Nestled in the heart of the city, it offers a kaleidoscope of dining, drinking, and shopping options against the backdrop of Table Mountain. Dive into South Africa's fishing lore or soak in panoramic views, ensuring every moment is filled with delight and discovery. What's your next travel destination and why? Share your favorite places and attractions in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest travel updates. Share with your loved ones for more exciting adventures together.